Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the world of life's original pioneers, single-celled organisms.
So, how can one tiny cell possibly do everything that life requires? It's a pretty wild thought.
Well, these guys are the absolute masters of minimalism. They've perfected survival with just the essentials.
That's right. Everything from eating to breathing to reproducing, it all happens inside one microscopic package.
We're talking about things like amoeba, paramecium, and bacteria. You need a microscope just to spot them.
So let's take a look inside. What's going on in this tiny, self-sufficient factory?
Turns out, there are really two basic designs. You've got prokaryotes like bacteria with no nucleus, and eukaryotes, which have one. But how does a single cell even power itself? The answer is something we're all familiar with: metabolism. It's a simple, powerful loop. Take in nutrients, create energy from them, and then kick out the waste.
Okay, but internal power is one thing. They still have to move around and react to their world. And that's where a concept called taxis comes in. Think of it as their built-in navigation system. It's pretty straightforward. Positive taxis means moving towards something good, like food. Negative taxis is moving away from a threat.
Survival is key, obviously, but life has to continue. So how do they make more of themselves?
Their go-to is asexual reproduction. It's fast, efficient, and you don't need a partner.
And they have a few tricks up their sleeve, like splitting in two, budding off a clone, or forming spores.
But what happens when things get really tough? When the environment turns against them?
Get this, they can basically hit the pause button on life and enter a state of suspended animation.
They build these tiny biological shelters, like protective cysts or super tough spores, to wait out the storm. But their real secret weapon, their ultimate survival tactic, it's speed. Because they reproduce so quickly, they can evolve at an incredible rate. It's like adaptation on fast forward.
So what's the big takeaway here? What's the most crucial point to remember?
It's that single cells are the ultimate masters of efficiency and survival. They pack everything needed for life into one tiny package.
They've survived for billions of years. It really makes you wonder, are they the ultimate blueprint for life itself?